Ohm's law is the fundamental law in electrical and electronics fields. It simply shows the relation between resistance, voltage, and current in electrical circuit. Resistance is represented by letter R, uppercase letter R. The unit of resistance is ohm. Omega is going to represent ohms. Voltage is represented by letter V, is measured in volts. Current is represented by letter I and is measured in amps, amperes, and is represented by capital letter A. From this formula we can calculate three things: resistance, voltage, and current. Probably some of you experience having the Ohm's law circles or triangles, which look something like this: voltage, current, resistance. We are never going to use this. Why? Because this is going to work only with Ohm's law. But you're supposed to realize that in electronics we are going to mix few formulas together, and this is not going to help us. We're supposed to use algebra. Let me show you how to solve this formula for V and I if you don't have enough knowledge about the algebra. Resistance is equal to voltage over current. If I want to find voltage, I'm supposed to simply multiply both sides of my formula by the denominator. Remember, anytime you want to eliminate the fraction, you're supposed to multiply both sides of the formula by the denominator. Why? Because I want to eliminate fraction, because V is the part of the fraction and I'm looking for V. Simply multiply both sides equation by I and I will cancel out. I times R is equal V, and this is simply the formula for V. This is Ohm's law for voltage. Ohm's law, okay, which is going to allow me to calculate the voltage. Voltage is equal to current times resistance. If you want to rearrange this formula to find I, you're supposed to get back to the original formula. R is equal V over I, and simply again we're supposed to eliminate the fraction, multiply both sides equation by the denominator. I and I will cancel out. I times R is equal V. This time I'm looking for I. In order to find I have to eliminate the multiplication. Means I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to I. I have to divide by R. R and R will cancel out. So I is equal voltage over resistance. So, as you can see, you don't supposed to remember all these three formulas at the beginning, because later on you are going to remember them anyway. You're simply supposed to, at the first time, remember just the main formula and just know some algebra, and you are going to be able to find the formula for voltage and current.